Hi, welcome back. I'm really excited today because I have a box from Brandon Blackwood. I've been wanting to try their bags for a while, but this is the first time I purchased from them. So let's see how this goes. It's a pretty big box. I'm really impressed with their packaging. This is such a big box to open. So open up, the bag is inside another box. Looks like a really nice box. I'll have to take it out. It took me a while to take this box out. It fit in the shipping box really well. Look at how big this box is. I'm really impressed by their packaging. This box looks amazing. Not sure if you can tell through the camera. It has its branding on the outside, nothing at the back. Now let's open it up. Whew. It has the logo monogram inside the box. Not sure what this is. Let's take a quick look. It's a thank you note. Let me take the bag out. Just want to show you how well packed this box is. It has this foam going around the corner, the sides, to protect the bag. And then at the bottom also a layer of foam to protect the bag. I'm really impressed by their packaging. This may be one of the best packaging I have seen. So this bag does come with a dust bag, a really nice thick cotton material with drawstring to close and open. Hopefully the bag is in good condition. After all that great stuff, let's hope the bag looks good. Has this little noodle thing to protect the bag. This is really a good size bag. The handles are protected with this foam material. Let me remove it. And then this is the hang tag. It says Brandon Blackwood and it has whip stitch around the hang tag. It's really nice detail on this hang tag. Let me reshape this bag a little bit. Also, this bag comes with a crossbody strap. Let's take a look at the strap. My favorite part. This looks like a nice leather strap, other than it's a little bit thin for a big bag like this. But still, it's nice to have a crossbody feature. Not sure if you can tell, this is a hobo style bag. This is their Brandon Blackwood Sylvia bag. On the side, you have this D-ring. It's empty now, the shape may look a little odd, but once you fill it up and have some stuff inside, the bag will drape much better. So on the website, it says this leather is their blue color cracked leather. Looking at this, I could see that they try to create a bag that looks like it's a well-worn bag, that it has this leather texture that looks like you have been wearing this bag for a while. So this bag has these two double top handle, or you can say it's a shoulder strap. It's fairly thick because it's a folded construction. They folded the leather and stitched it together, so it's pretty thick and should be quite comfortable. And this bag has this magnetic closure in silver hardware. Let's try out the magnetic closure. So far it's pretty good. I would say for magnetic closure, this is pretty strong. Inside the bag is this microfiber material. Look at this giant space inside. I always love a big bag, and this would be perfect like what I would love. Look at this big mouth. You can really put a lot of stuff in this bag if you want. So on the front panel, you do see two slip pockets with this leather edging material. And then on the other side, you have a zip pocket. Pretty smooth. Looks like a good quality zipper with the logo printed on this tab. So I have put some stuff inside the bag. You can see how it drapes. It creates this beautiful drape that looks kind of effortless. I just love how it looks. It's hard to show you without adjusting my camera. I probably will use it as a crossbody bag, but I do still want to show you how it looks as a shoulder bag. So this is how it looks on my shoulder. The bag is still a little bit stiff, but I think it will soften after I use it. So I have attached the crossbody strap, and this is the shoulder setting. So if you decided to use it as a crossbody bag, this is kind of how it looks like. I love this little hang tag from Brandon Blackwood. So beautiful. And this is how it looks as a crossbody. And if you decided to just hand carry this bag and let the crossbody strap hang, this is the shoulder setting. The handles are really comfortable. And you can see after all that trying on the bag and taking it off, the bag closure still stays closed. So I'm really glad that I was able to purchase this bag during their sales. Look at the details on this bag. Has a folded detail on the side. I may not use this thin strap because this is a big bag. It may be too heavy to use a thin strap like that, but I can easily get another blue color strap to use with this bag. Thanks for joining me today for this unboxing. I'm really happy with this purchase and really impressed by the quality of this bag by Brandon Blackwood. Please let me know in the comment area if you have any question about this bag. Otherwise, I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!